Hello and welcome to today's video on the probate process in real estate. If you're dealing with the sale of a property as part of an estate, you may have heard the term probate being thrown around, but you may not fully understand what it entails. Today we're going to break that down, the process step by step, so you can have a clear understanding of what to expect. But before we get started, if you haven't already done so, don't forget to like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. And as always, thanks for helping us grow this channel. And if you stay till the very end, I have a free gift for you. Okay, so let's get started with step number 1, filing a petition for probate. The first step in the probate process is filing a petition for probate with the court. This petition typically includes information about the deceased individual, their assets, and the names of any heirs and beneficiaries. This is the first step in getting the ball rolling on the distribution of the estate's assets. Step number 2, appointing an executor or administrator. Once the petition has been filed, the court will appoint an executor or administrator to oversee the distribution of the estate's assets, including the sale of any real estate. This person will be responsible for overseeing the probate process and ensuring that the sale of the property is handled properly. Step 3, inventorying and valuing the assets. The executor must create an inventory of all the assets in the estate, including real estate, and obtain appraisals to determine their value. This is an important step in ensuring that the assets are distributed fairly and that the sale of the real estate is handled properly. Step 4, notifying creditors and paying off debts. Okay, the executor must notify any creditors of the estate and pay any outstanding debts if possible. This is important because creditors have the right to be paid before assets are distributed to the heirs and beneficiaries. Step 5, obtaining court approval for the sale. The executor must obtain court approval to sell the property. This may require the submission of a written request to the court and a hearing to determine the reasonableness of the sale price. The court must approve the sale before it can proceed, so this step is crucial. Step 6, closing the sale. Once the approval is obtained, the sale can proceed. The executor will handle the transfer of the ownership and distribution of the sale's proceeds in accordance with the terms of the will or state law. This final step marks the end of the probate process and the beginning of a new chapter for the property and its new owner. And there you have it, a step-by-step breakdown of the probate process in real estate. This can be a complex and time-consuming process, so it's important to work with an experienced real estate agent and probate attorney to ensure that the sale of the property is handled smoothly and efficiently. If you would like these steps, sent to you as a PDF, message me in the comment section below, and I'll send it right over to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.